Hello, welcome to my channel. This is Darcy's Misadventures with Mixed Media, and this third time's the charm, right? I tried doing this video a couple times, but it was so blurry, and I think it was because I had my Super Steady on, and it wasn't enough light for the Super Steady to work, and so everything was blurry. But right now, it looks like it's doing a little bit better. So I was going to show you a couple, well, first of all, this is the thing I'm taking delight in today is I tidied in my studio yesterday and my desk is cleaned off, and that just made me so happy and delighted that I thought I would share that with you guys. But also, I don't think I ever shared with you guys this little tip, and that is I have a shelf that is meant to go on a wall, and this is like the bottom side of the shelf. So it has, this is the underside of the shelf, and also it had like a backing on it because my desk can't go all the way against the wall because of the baseboard heat. And baseboard heat is just that register that's on the bottom part of the wall. So the legs of my desk can't go all the way against the wall. So there's like a gap about this wide. So that covers the gap. And then also this back here keeps things from falling back there. And then these dusty shelves, they're expandable. So I can make them as narrow or as wide as I need to. It's two pieces that sit on top of each other. So I could even put them on the outside of that if I wanted to. But I like having a little space to put a couple things. And then on this side, the biscuit tin fits. And this was the piece I got at the thrift store a little while back, and that fits there nicely. I think I have that like that, so if I want to put my iced coffee there, I can. See? Whoops. My iced coffee fits there nicely. Because why not have a place off your desk for your iced coffee? And then, I know you're probably worried about this, but I've got it stuck on there with the Gorilla Glue things, the tack bits. So I stuck that on there, and now my rares are on my desk, easily accessible. And this is a DVD holder. I think I've mentioned that in the past. And then I just have my books and some other things on there, and just hope that it's not going to fall forward, or if it does, it'll hit the desk first. And I had some plastic drawers up here, and I replaced those with that piece of enamelware and that piece of enamelware. And I've decided not to paint these drawers. I do need to clean that, but because they're almost the same color as the enamelware. And then I also have this piece I got at a thrift store, and these dominoes are even the same color, and these folders are similar in color. And so I have like this seafoam aqua type color in here, and the orange, and the navy blue is just a core color everywhere. See, there's some turquoise here, and you saw my curtains a minute ago. So like those are my colors in here, which is fun. Oh, and my paints, I think I forgot to tell you about the paints. I was mentioning about, these work fine on the end here. I can see them fine and grab them when I want them. So these go on the side of. They came with my rolly cart. I paid extra to get the extra pieces. But they can hang on this metal shelf pretty easily. And so I have those on there. There's 4 of those. But it was the ones that had the rod, and then I had clips for those that were not working for me. And that's why I had gotten this drawer, which I can just slide out and use, set it on this tray table. I have a tray table down here for when I just need a little extra surface and place to put things. And of course, there's always things everywhere. And these are the plastic shelves that I took off from up there. This is all my glue book stuff. That's extra projects that need to get finished. More glue book stuff. I need to organize this shelf, but I want to play. And then I had told you guys about, I don't know if I ever put up a picture, but I told you guys about the piece of drywall that I had, and I had this shelf and that shelf like there. This one was turned this way, and the drywall is across the top, but it was really high, and the drywall was not quite a full sheet, but it was pretty much. So I was feeling claustrophobic. So I moved that over to the side of me. And then this is from a drop leaf table. Not sure if it's the table we have currently or one that we threw away because it had gotten so damaged that it wasn't but it was in the closet. And I was like, well, if I put that across somewhere, it gives me a little extra space. And I need to go through, that's like, that's my project thing, my ephemera thing, my ephemera cart, which is movable so that I can get in and out. Look at that blank floor. And then this is the drywall. My husband and I cut off about 6 or 7 inches yesterday of the drywall. I know what it sounds like I said, but it's not what I said. And then, so I've just got, these baskets were on my floor. I need to sort through them. Sorry about that, making you dizzy. But I wanted to show you these that I found at the thrift store the other day. This is what they look on this side, and the handle sticks out. So I thought I would just turn them around so the handle could stick out on the back side. So it'd still be pretty on that side, but then it would be, they fit my books. So I was able to get some of those books off of my desk and have more space there. And I feel I can get to this a little more easily now too, because it was a little lower before. And also the table, the thing I had here stuck out like way to here. And it was like, so it was a little bit more difficult to get over here. And now my golden paints are here, so they are much more easily accessible for me. Oh, there's the other little tray there. That should be closed. And then let's see, is there anything else new? Any other tips or tricks that I want to share with you that I do in my studio that maybe I haven't shown you yet? So I showed you that. And that, and then, and then this is the door that Patty had sent me. And, I sucked at making doors, and that's why I had made a, junk journal kit into my Ko-fi shop. And if you look on Patty's Instagram, and I'll link that below, she has a coupon code for 40% off. But I made it so you have to go check out her social media to get it, because that's just the kind of person I am. I make you do extra work. No, I do it so that it can bring more traffic to her channel and her Instagram and whatnot. My grandma had given me this. I think it was like something that maybe Fruit of the Month came in or something, and I painted it this dark blue. And then there was another piece I also painted that color. So, yeah, this is how I'm starting my day on this Saturday, and I'm feeling pretty delighted about it. So, yeah, this was all books before, so now that's a little less harsh with the books. And, and I even have empty shelves up there. Not quite sure what to do with it because it's a little hard to get to. So, it's got to be something I don't need very often to go up there. But I don't know what yet, if you have any ideas. I mean, I could bring down some of those gel plates away on the top shelf over there, but that I don't use as often. So, yes, I am feeling pretty delighted about this cleaned off desk. What's that? That is, bread and butter pickles. Because I was thinking, I was holding it out, saving it out in case we wanted to make it. That's my mom's handwriting. I have a bunch of her recipes and stuff. So, yeah, this is a little toothpick holder. This is a little creamer. This is just, I showed that a little. Oh, that I think came from my mom's house. I don't know. Before my dad downsized and moved, I just grabbed whatever things I liked and whatnot. So, this is how I'm starting my day. It's probably the only video that will come out today because my throat's feeling kind of froggy and I need a drink. I have to keep clearing my throat, and that will get annoying on a video. So, I don't know what I'm going to make yet. I got some things I need to make. I got some things I want to make. But I just wanted to say happy Saturday if you're watching this on Saturday or whatever day, and to remind you to find delight in the little things, even if it's just a cleaned off desk or a mostly cleaned off desk. I mean, I'm just focusing on that mess right now because why not focus on the mess when everything else is clean? I dusted the desk and cleaned the desk. Oh, and this is a piece of just the painty paper that you can get at the hardware store. And I taped it on the edge there. I could have taped it all the way around. And that piece goes around the bottom. Because it's longer than the other pieces I have. So I thought, well, that might be a nice change. And this is why I use the the paper is because otherwise you get this reflection when I'm making videos. So, you know, there's an idea. If you got some of that and you make videos, okay, yep, I'm leveling it off, Mariah. Then you might want to get some paper. Any paper on a roll works because you can get it nice and long. So, yeah, that's it for today. I hope you guys have a delightful day. Love you.